Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Friday, April 14th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here, starting out with the tick US model. Nice resumption of the short-term moving average ribbon on Thursday. Have railroad tracks higher. Cumulative filtered tick, we did see a little pickup in buying throughout the afternoon session, and new lows, new highs, net about even. Looking at tick ARCX model, this model looks a lot better than the US model. That being the cumulative tick above longer term moving average ribbon. That is fully, well, almost uninverted, but still all signals are firing there. Railroad tracks higher, so this model does look constructive right now. Here hitting on, this is our 10 a.m. Gamma script with SPY, SPX, and QQQs. Things to note, yesterday that we were pointing out had a nice consolidation right at P trans at SPY, nice move to plus GEX, textbook move there. SPY, while the consolidation wasn't right at plus P-trans, is a great reference point for this consolidation here. If you wanted to try to take a move higher, could have taken it to a prior day high or, I don't know, local highs made earlier this week or whatever you wanted to. And then lastly, QQQs. Again, consolidation here, that's pretty volatile consolidation, nothing to do there from my point of view, but I did take this trade where we got a little bit of consolidation right at P-trans. The move was to plus GEX, didn't quite get there, but was still happy with how it did turn out. Looking at Apple real quick, nothing to say here. You can see on the 65-minute chart, it really just shot up beginning of the session and was unrelenting. Tesla, not a ton to say here. A little bit of consolidation right at 0 GEX. Trying to get a push to P-trans. However, looking at the 65-minute chart, the stock just doesn't look that great right now. I'm not too interested in it. Microsoft, again, very nice consolidation on the open right around P-trans. Nice push. Looking at the 65-minute chart to kind of local supply zone that we have, and then to get a retest of that zone and another push higher. So great stock there. And lastly, looking at Nvidia, again, chart doesn't look super great on the 65-minute chart, similar to Tesla. And yeah, really just choppy action all day there. So now moving to our 5 p.m. scripts. Again, same indexes that we've been looking at. SPY well above COTMP. Looking at the 65-minute chart, I mean, it's had a very nice move from middle of the structure. We're now at the top of the structure, so maybe more consolidation here is needed. SPX, not a ton to say here, and QQQs, we are right at P-trans, so I do get some kind of consolidation here. We could see a push higher. Moving on to Apple and Tesla. Again, similar to SPY Apple, we are right at plus GEX, kind of top of the structure. Not super interested in that stock on Friday. And Tesla right here, we are at COTMP and plus GEX, so maybe we do get some kind of bounce up to. No, sorry, we're at 0 GEX and COTMP, so maybe we get some kind of bounce up to P-trans. However, again, looking at the structure on the 65-minute chart, not super interested in the stock. So let's keep on moving here. Microsoft and Nvidia, last two that we will cover. Microsoft, what I'm looking for is some kind of move back down to COTMP. This would align with the demand zone down here on the 65-minute chart, and then we could progress higher potentially to plus GEX. And then lastly, we are at Nvidia. Again, middle of the range, bottom of the structure. I'd be more interested in looking for a break and a retest lower on this stock than a push higher. But yeah, so that's what I got for you guys. Hopefully yesterday's examples were helpful. So see you on the room today. Bye.